Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me today wanting to know if the impact tool would work with a text and was questioning how it worked. He doesn't have Corel X8 or above. I'm using Corel 2018 on this video. And yes, it does work and you don't have to do really anything to it. And the easiest way is to power clip. So we're going and there's two ways you can use the impact tool. You can use a radial or you can use a parallel lines. So we're going to get the impact tool and I'm going parallel right up here and I'm going to just draw a box and then click inside the box and you're going to get this shape. But these lines are way too thick, so we're going to spread them out a little bit and make the width a little better. Let's just type in 1, see what happens. Nope, that's the opposite. I probably need to do 1 there. Let's do 5 here. Nope, that's not working. Let's try. I haven't used this all too much. There we go, 0.2. Let's make them a little bit thicker. And then you can actually change the pen size. I think my computer just locked up for a second. Let's zoom in here so we can see it. Let's click back on it and get back to change the minimum width. And that looks pretty good. And there's two ways you can do this, and this is kind of fun. We could put this right into this, and let's just do that. So let's click on our item. You don't have to do anything to it. Go to Object, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame, and there you have a pretty neat design on a text. Of course, you can edit it like any power clip and move your power clip around and get whatever you want to do, and then just click on it until you get to the box that says stop editing. So let's do that. But then I like playing around with this stuff, and what you can do, you can control D, and then holding down your control button you could go here, and then you could group this together, control G, and then you could go to Object, Power Clip, I need to finish editing. Well, see right here, I need to really start with a new one. Let's just do that. I think it's because I used that power clip. So I'll tell you what, let's just get rid of this and let's just use this one. I'm going to control D and make a duplicate of it. Now we'll get our impact tool. We're still on parallel. We'll draw our lines, click inside your box, and then we'll make this 0.5. And then control D, and then just holding down the control button. And you could actually kind of maybe move these over a little bit. Control G to make a duplicate or to group it together. Then go up to Object, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. And then you have a whole different look, more evenly lined. You don't have that solid black. So you could do that, or you could use the radial. Let's just delete that. Let's bring in this text. Now we'll get our power clip tool. Let me zoom in here a little bit. Power or impact tool. Let's go to radial this time, and then just draw a circle. Press P and put it in the center of the page, because I just like drawing in the center of the page. And then you can still play around with the lines and everything and the spacing and get them further apart and everything. It's pretty easy to play with. But then we're going to take our text and just kind of put on, see what it looks like. Then we're going to take, you don't have to convert it to a curve, just go to Object, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. And that's a pretty cool pattern. And then I draw in everything in hairline, so you want to left click and get a black and then actually go down here and make it a thicker line. And for the video, I'll make it quite thick so you can see it. But that'd be a pretty cool effect for a text. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.